What's up guys, it's Andrew with Oakos Automotive, back with another video with our brand new VB WRX, and today we're going E85, and we're gonna do that with the COBB Flex Fuel Kit. So it comes with a COBB ethanol content sensor, and that's gonna be basically the way that you can tell how much E85 is in your tank at the time. So if you're using pump E85, this is perfect because you'll be able to actually know what's in there. COBB also does include a low pressure fuel sensor, and the reason why is because the VB WRX does not come with one from the factory. It only comes with a high pressure fuel sensor. So for the data you need for the COBB Pro tuners or even the off-the-shelf tune, this is good and you'll be able to monitor that data as well. Besides that, it comes with all the wiring and all the connectors and everything that you need for this kit to make it pretty much plug and play. You do have to kind of remove the radio, and we'll show you that. But we did have a COBB panel filter that we need to drop in too, because with this kit, you have to use an ACCESSPORT. This is the only way you can utilize this kit. So I'm not really gonna show you guys how to install this kit per se, but we're gonna get right to it, and we're really curious on the results. So stay tuned for that. All right guys, so that's basically the install complete on the VB WRX of the COBB Flex Fuel Kit. Matt's just buttoning up everything right now in the interior, and then we just got to put the intercooler back on and install that panel filter and plug in that new access port. So it's a pretty easy install, honestly. We kind of went over how to do it a little bit in here. I probably have a voiceover showing that, but yeah, it's not too bad. The hardest part is just getting the radio out and then unplugging all of those connectors on the back of the radio. That's like the most intimidating part of the job. Besides that, everything else went pretty smoothly, and we're just gonna finish buttoning it up, and then we're gonna take it for a drive and just see what it does. All right guys, so we are almost complete with the VB Flex Fuel upgrade. We just gotta install our access port, which we have flashed to the vehicle stock, but we will need to flash the E85 map, as well as install that panel filter that came with the Stage 1 kit. All right, so basically last part where you have to do with our access port is flash it with the new map. We already did the transfer of the map and download from the COBB website on our computer. If you don't know how to do that, you can always just watch a quick tutorial on that. But right now we're gonna load the Stage 1 Plus Flex Fuel tune on there. So we're just gonna let the access port do its thing. It's gonna take a while to upload the tune, and then we're gonna go get E85. All right, so yeah. Map successfully uploaded, and it just wants you to leave the key off for 15 seconds. So we're gonna take the car to grab E85 and test it out. All right, we're at the Meyer E85 station, so we're gonna use the special yellow pump. So with the COBB access port, it also allows you to see the ethanol content. So normally the ethanol content's 10% when you're using normal 93. So we'll actually see what it is. We ran the tank really low, and we will see what the content is of this pump E85 from Meyer. So. All right, so we're back in the car now, and you can see the ethanol content is right in the lower right-hand corner, and it says 10.4, which is basically what it was before. It was just 10.0. Now, with these direct inject F824s, it takes quite a bit of time for that fuel to actually make its way to the fuel rail, and it doesn't use that much fuel, so it will take a while for your ethanol content to actually update. It does feel like substantially quicker, yeah. Yeah, that feels pretty good. We got the flex fuel kit all installed from COBB on our new VB WRX. We have our buddy's VB right next to us. We're gonna go do some roll racing, do some second gear pulls, and see how much faster the E85 made this VB. Got Hunter's VB behind us, stock tune and everything. We're gonna do a little race between us and just see what the difference is. And 3, 2, 1, go! Three, 2, 1, go! Nice. So that's gonna wrap up the VB Flex Fuel COBB Stage 1 Plus kit install for this VB WRX. You saw the racing between the two. We did the second gear, kind of the third gear pulls, and man, this VB feels so much faster. You can definitely feel the torque difference, and we honestly gapped this car. So if you like what you saw, leave us a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.